Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Shanda. I was born in Ontario, Canada, and I'm proud to say that I come from both Waltham, Quebec and Pembrooke, Ontario. And here are a few phrases that are very unique to my area that may not be heard anywhere else. The first one being "prit near," used in a sentence. I prit near, hit that deer, I was going too fast. So prit near is another word for almost. Almost is pretty much what it means. Pretty near. Halfways, I'll meet you halfways. Holy liftin' or holy jumpins, which is another way of saying like, oh my God, oh my goodness, holy liftin'. Mightn't, I mightn't make it. You're not giving me very much notice. I might not make it at that time. I mightn't make it at that time. Or you better not eat all that chocolate. You mightn't feel good in the morning. And another one would be, instead of bologna, a bologna sandwich, or we say bologna, I'd like a bologna sandwich, or bologna, I'd like a bologna sandwich. So those are just a few quirky phrases and words that we use here in the Ottawa Valley. So now I'm going to read the following sentences, starting off with a tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter picked. She sells seashells on the seashore. I have parked my car near the garage. If you are looking for it, it's a blue Nissan. The sun is so hot today. I love summer. I like to go walking on the beach, but I also love it when it rains and I'm inside and I can hear it on the roof. Would you like a glass of water? For breakfast, I would love a coffee, and could I please have some eggs, 2 pieces of toast, and mushrooms? I love to eat bananas. I don't think it's a good idea to be rude to people. Kindness is free. My favorite animal is a cat, but I like dogs too. I would love to travel to a few of these cities: London, Paris, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Berlin, Amsterdam, Athens, Lagos, Barcelona, Rome, Dubai, Vancouver, Moscow, Singapore, Sydney, and Dublin. Be kind to one another. Lastly, if you want to learn these accents, remember to go to actorsaccentcoach.com. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 20 and do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for Charlie. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for frog. G is for gold. H is for hello. I is for ice cream. J is for joy. K is for king. L is for lemon. M is for mother. N is for nut. O is for orange. P is for pepper. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for Sarah. T is for tomorrow. U is for umbrella. V is for Valentine. W is for water. X is for X-ray. Y is for yellow. And Z is for zebra. Sarah, thank you so much for allowing me the opportunity to provide you with my accent and my natural way of speaking. Again, my name is Shanda. I'd love it if you followed me on TikTok under Shanda Lee. I post a lot of lip sync videos, and I reenact movie scenes a lot. It's my dream to become an actress in any shape or form. I just would love to be on stage or on the silver screen one day. So thank you so much for your time, and I can't wait to book an accent session with you.